You don't make enough money.
How in the world you know I don't make enough money?
You don't make enough money.
How you think I don't make enough?
You're cute though.
Like that? Like that?
Hey, you laughing? Hey, you laughing?
Paris, please. A little space. Lily, I'm just trying to be helpful. If you really would like to be helpful, go to the bar and get me something to drink. Go. Now. Oh, that's my jam.
Bartender, I need a drink. Anything. Please make it a double.
Whoa, man. What's up with all the negative vibes, man?
Man, it ain't nothing, man. I just got into it with my dad, man. He's tripping, like usual.
I got you, man. But, yo, check this out. Leave all that family stuff to the side right now, man. I mean, look, you got the track, it's on fire, man. You know, everybody liking it. You know, we about to make that money. Yeah. Lily been asking about you, too.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Where's she at, man?
Out there on the dance floor, smooth.
Okay. That's what's up.
Yeah, but before you go out there, though, you get you a drink. Get you all prepped up.
Alright. Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, man.
What's going on, beautiful?
Not much. I've been waiting for you.
Oh, really? Well, I'm here now. It's gonna sound crazy, but there's definitely something between me and you, you know what I'm saying? I know you feel it. Because, I think you're digging me, and I'm definitely feeling you. I'm trying to figure out, you know what I'm saying, why we still here. You can just say the word, mommy, we can be out of here and go back to my apartment. You know what I mean?
Alright, well, normally I don't do the apartment thing, but you fine, so I'm down. Paris? I will not be available for the rest of the weekend.
But Lily, we have a photo shoot in the morning. You have to have your rest.
Are you telling me what to do? I mean, because that's what it sounds like.
No, I'm just saying.
Last time I checked, I was a boss. You work for me. Like I said, I will not be available for the rest of the evening. I mean, can't you just have a car come pick me up for the photo shoot at this place?
I could, but
What's your address?
I'm off of Lime Street. 5250 Lime Street.
5250 Lime Street. You got that? Alright, bye. Have a good night.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I didn't know you was up in here, Swole.
Yep, just like a ninja. You never know when I'm gonna pop up at. Yo, ain't that Lily what your boy has?
Yeah, they together.
Yeah, that's something we gotta make happen. Whether it's serious or not, whether it belong together or not, there's a lot of cash flow for Hot Records, for me.
Yeah, I got you. I'll make sure it happens.
I need you to get a jump start on it now.
Oh, okay. Alright. I got you, Swole.
I'm just saying, you still here.